With your classes set up in the system, you can now start to map out some of the different EP resources you want to use with these. To get started, click into any one of your classes, and that will default you through to the course page. The course page is where we can create a bit of a scope and sequence of the different types of resources inside of EP that might align to our class. Think of it as a way of bookmarking each of the different pieces of content that you might want to explore in EP with your students. To populate our course, we can either add to each topic in the term itself by clicking the Add Topic option, in which case it will bring up a windowed instance of our Discover tab. Alternatively, if we're browsing through Discover, we can see a bit more information and start to add from this side to our courses. In both views, you want to make sure that you're defaulting onto the correct curriculum. In the case that I'm at here, I want to make sure I'm using the most up-to-date Australian curriculum for this school, and that I am looking at the same year level as my class that I'm looking to set this up with. Clicking into each of our topics will reveal each of the different lessons that you'll be able to show your classes to help with instruction, and of course the assessments, you'll be able to set them in place. In this particular example, we have a pre-made assessment that aligns to our learning snapshots, which will help to give you transparency in how your students are tracking against curriculum outcomes. To include this as part of your course, simply click the Add to Class option and select the term that you want this to appear inside of. When we come back to our course page, we can see that it's now here and ready for us to use as we go forward and assign some activities through to our students. Having gone through Discover, I've now been able to populate my scope and sequence, so I'm ready to start assigning to my students. For any questions around how to build out your course or browse through Discover, just head to our support down here in the bottom right hand corner and select from one of the options available. We're here to help however we can.